minsan. Kaya ako buong araw. Kahit pa ulit-ulit. What the fuck? Damn. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is that? Who put shit in my gate? Who the fuck you eat? Oh, okay. My fault, twin. My fault. My fault, twin. It's a water bill, y'all. My water bill. Oh, I can show you all my water bill. But yeah, I just woke up right now. But yeah, wait, let me show you all. My water bill is $356, y'all. Where's the due date? 6/23, right? So yeah, my water's bill $356. Is that tight or not? What the hell? There's a cockroach in my city. Is he dead? Wait, maybe he's just pretending. I know that play. I know that play. I know that play. He's pretending. I told you. I told you. He tweaking. He tweaking. I told you. He pretending. Fuck is he talking about? Fuck is he talking about? He pretending. Type shit. Now he dead. Mataas ba yung 356 para sa water bill? I don't know, y'all. I think that's light. I think that's light shit. Oh my god, it's already 12. What the hell, It's already 12. I just woke up, yeah. Kakagising ko lang talaga. And then, yeah. Nagising lang ako dahil tumawag yung lala ka sa akin. Type shit. Pero kung di tumawag yung lala ka, hindi pa ako magigising. Halatang walang ginagawa sa buhay. 12 na lang tanghali gumigising. What the hell, But yeah, right now, I'm hungry as fuck. But, I still have bread here. But I think expired na to. Let me check. I think expired na to. Oh no! Today is the expiration date. I mean, ngayon siya may expire ngayong araw kasi today is June 17. Should I eat lunch or should I eat this bitch first? Yeah, I wanna eat this bitch first. Yeah. Wanna eat bread first. Kasi sayang. So yeah, let me eat this bread. And then I'm gonna come back to y'all for a type shit, right? MSM, man, so right now, we're gonna go shopping, y'all. I told y'all yesterday na bibili tayo sa website ng H&M, right? And yeah, meron sila. Type shit. Here's our total, y'all. Here's our total. It's almost 3,000 pesos. So I think we ate here, we ate. Let me check out my little share real quick and then yeah. Email, it says thank you. So yeah, I just ordered my shit. I bought 3 blacks, 3-pack blacks, 3-pack whites. Is that our shit? Yeah, I think we Gucci, yo, we Gucci. Alright, y'all. We done shopping. MSM. So, yeah, I just upload all of my shit, all of my vlogs. And y'all see, check this out, y'all, check this out. Look, I already got a lot of vlogs lined up already. And today, I'm gonna upload this vlog, y'all. I'm gonna upload this vlog today. Spend the day with me and my unemployed friends. Go watch that shit, y'all. Go like and watch that. If you want, so kung nagustuhan niyo yung vlog na yan, yung spend the day with me and my friends vlog, just comment there and then if I go on the trip, tire shit, you know what I'm saying, yeah? Just like and comment some shit there on that vlog, on this vlog. And then if I go on a trip, y'all, me and my friends wanna go on a trip, tire shit, yeah, we can do that shit, y'all. So, yeah, I just upload all of my vlogs and then they all scheduled, I mean, They still not scheduled because I still need to put thumbnail and title on that bitch. So, right now, I'm gonna go to my lola's house, y'all. And then I wear the shirt that I bought yesterday. Even though I still haven't washed him. Because, why not though? I just wanna try him type shit, you know what I'm saying? Can y'all see that? Y'all see the fit? Y'all see the fit? Yeah, I still feeling them, y'all. But, I already bought them. I already bought 3 of this shit. I mean 6 of this shit. So yeah, we ate, y'all. Yeah, but right now, I'm gonna go to my lola's house. To eat lunch because I haven't ate anything. It's already almost 4 p.m. I ate the breakfast, but I haven't ate rice, my lunch type shit. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, boy, like a better for the dead. Po. Popo! Oh my god, today is Tuesday. Nakalimutan ko ilabas yung basura ko kanina. Late na rin kasi ako nagising eh. I think almost 12 noon na ako nagising kanina. What the hell eh? Oh yeah, I forgot about this shit. Oh.
Ano yan? Okay ba yan? Nasagad eh.
Okay lang po. Mas maganda nga pa eh. So, bumibili lang si Ate Ana ng beer and shit like that. Sinamahan ko lang siya. Kaya, type shit.
May ito, bibili camel.
San? San?
Sila RRP. Tapos yung part.
Nah. What's it? That's the secrets. Is it fucking or what? Safe to say that I'm the biggest, the longest, the seventh, ever. Damn, Ate Ana bought a lot of shit. And then, there's more. It's basically another day of a day in a life type shit. I just vlog whatever happening in my life right now, yo. So I don't fake shit. Oh, Ate Ana's here. Uwi na? Let's go. Ha? Ay, hi sa. Mimingot ka? Wala pala.
Walang pain!
Oh, we have takeout, you know. Adobo, what the fuck? We have rice too. May kanin pa. Thank you so much. Adobo and rice. And then, where's our stopper? May pinagawa akong stopper dito para sa toy car. Oh my god. Mga fall twin. That's right there. And then we still have more food. Bibigyan pa tayo ng pagkain pa ni Lola. Wow!
Ha? Sino mo na may takip?
Hindi pa.
Sino saan?
Bakit tinabi natin? Ayun no? Sa freezer. Nalagyan niyo dyan.
Alisin mo yung takip para hindi mapanis masyado.
Dapat lalagay ko lang. Oh, we have more food. Ginataang mais. Adobo and then rice. Tayo shit, say W Lola, y'all. W Lola. Dub Lola. Apa nga pala. Alis sa pakala. Bye pa. Thank you pala. Bye. Oh my god, sakto. Umuulan. See that shit? So, we're structured again for a few more days because we have more food. So yeah, what I'm telling you earlier, binablog ko lang kung ano yung ginagawa ko buong araw. Kahit pa ulit-ulit. Kasi kapag hindi ako nag-vlog, kapag hindi ko tinalit yung vlog, and then wala akong ginagawa araw-araw, what the fuck? I'ma die ASAP. Type shit. That's why, yung mga nakikita nyong vlog sa akin, kasi araw-araw ako nag-upload, so yung mga nakikita nyong vlog, paulit-ulit lang. Kasi yun lang talaga yung ginagawa ko. Hindi siya, I don't fake shit. Yeah, yun lang talaga yung ginagawa ko. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa vlog, yun lang ginagawa ko buong araw. Ang hindi nyo lang nakikita, yung pag-edit ko, and then yung pag-upload ko ng vlog. Yun lang yung hindi nyo nakikita. And then yung pag-shower ko, tayo shit, ramsen. But, the rest of the shit, talagang yun lang yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ako nagluluto, tayo shit like that. Yeah, pumunta ako sa lola ko, kuha ako pagkain, then uuwi sa bahay, then tatawagin lang ako ng lola ko. Pag may gagawin siya, tapos sasamahan ko ng lola ko, and then yeah, tayo shit, uwi ulit ako sa bahay. Para humiga ulit sa kama, tayo shit, ramsen. Let's go, yo. Let's go, let's go. So, babalik ulit tayo sa bahay to chill tayo shit. Alright? Oh, baha pa rin dito sa harap ng lola ko. What the hell? Oh, there's a cat. The only reason na nag-upload pa ako araw-araw kahit paulit-ulit lang ginagawa ko is para may gawin ako sa buhay. Kasi pag hindi ako nag-vlog, wala na akong gagawin sa buhay. Wala na kwenta yung buhay ko. Tayo shit. Kasi kapag hindi talaga ako nag-vlog, oh my god, kaya kong mabuhay ng 1 week na nasa kwarto lang. Na hindi ako lalabas ng kwarto. I just need a portable CR type shit. And then yeah, I can live in my room for 1 week straight. But yeah, that's why I'm vlogging, yo. Kaya sorry kung paulit-ulit lang yung nakikita nyo ginagawa ko araw-araw. Cause that's really me, yo. That's what I'm doing everyday type shit. It's because of my broke ass, yo. That's why I can't improve my content. It's because of my broke ass. I don't have any money to spend on some dumb shit. Meron ako alam na pwedeng gawing content kaso it's a little bit pricey type shit. That's why ginagawa ko lang kung ano yung kaya kong gawin everyday type shit for my everyday vlog. It's everyday, bro, with the DC Channel Show. So yeah, right now let me just drive real quick and then win tayo and then type shit, right? Sober up, get better. So I just take a huge dump. Yeah, I just took a huge dump in the CR. So right now I'm hungry as fuck again. But if I get it right, is that type shit? Oh, what the fuck? Oh my damn ass. Why did I do that damn shit? Tumubog tuloy. Ba't ko kasi pinatungan? And yes, sabi ng lala ko kanina, konti lang dapat yung kainin nito kasi gabi na. Type shit. Oh. Sober up, get better. Yeah, not bad though, not bad. Then we already have rice for our dinner. Is that type shit? Yeah, I think that's type shit. Oh my god, ba't inaantok na agad ako? What the hell eh? Wala pang 6 p.m. Inaantok agad ako. I'm done. Got some peppermints in them. But yeah, MSM, I'm about to eat my dinner. I just upload one clip on my ClipTalk account, yo. You know, kung saan ko in-upload yung mga clip ko. But yeah, and right now, I'm about to have my dinner. I think I can make this bitch. You need this bitch, yo. Leave me a tocino for my dinner and then rice and then. So yeah, this is how I really live, type shit. There's no sugar coating in this bitch. Kung ano nakikita nyo, yun lang ang ginagawa ko araw-araw. Type shit. I have rice, bigay ng lola ko kanina. Ganito, rarap ka to. That's enough. You're popping already. You know what? Let me add some hot sauce in that bitch. Some light shit. So yeah, about to have my dinner. I have my rice here. I have my ulam. And then I have my TikTok for sure. I have my TikTok here. So yeah, let me just eat first and then yeah, type shit.
Where your roid at? Bitch, you lagging out shit? You think they capping out shit? Think they just rapping out shit? Where your roid at?